Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified once I drop another banger. Don't forget to like, comment and all that good stuff. It really helped my YouTube journey. Today's video, by the title you already know, is Chit Chat, Get Ready With Me, talking about mental health, me coming back on YouTube, consistency on YouTube, life in general. If this sounds like what is interesting to you, do keep on watching.
Uświadomiły mi, że nie mam serca. Tego się po mnie spodziewasz, jak jestem jeszcze dzieciak. Wybacz mi mała, uwierz, ja uczę się na błędach.
First, I will have to do this gorgeous off camera. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Eyebrow check on my face with this. I want to kind of finish my eye area before I start talking. I'll be going in with this. Going in with this again. My nude. Just, blend. So with this blender brush, just sort of blend it. Lash glue. While waiting for my lashes to dry a little bit, how are you guys doing? How is life treating you guys? Hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys are doing just fine in general. As for me, I am doing okay. I'm trying to be sane. Happy with the people in my life right now, and thank God. While this thing is still getting dry, I apply my foundation. I should go with this. I'm not going to apply much because I already put foundation. It was a struggle, but we did it. I still find it very difficult to fix my lashes. To cover the mess we did on the eyelid. Speaking of mental health, we need to start checking up on our friends. Being it you guys spoke like 3 days ago, 2 days ago, we just need to start checking up on our friends, because honestly, depression is real. You can just receive a call. The person you spoke to 2 days ago or 3 days ago is dead or committed suicide. You just have to check up on your loved one, check up on your family, check up on your friends to see how they are doing. Some people don't open up. To be killing them inside. When it gets to a point, they'll be like, I can't do it anymore. I can't hold it anymore, and then they just feel, well, the next thing they will do is just to kill themselves. You just have to take things one step at a time. So I'm going to be going in with this, my LA Girl Pro Concealer. When you've been working too hard and you're not seeing the results of what you're working hard for, just chill, take a break. The lifespan of work is longer than lifespan of human being. If you're working in an office, just know that if you die today, they will replace you. They will find a replacement. They will put vacancy. like that same day. Even if it's your family, if you die today, they will just cry for like few days or for this thing, but they will still be living their life. Take one step at a time. You don't have to rush yourself. It's not competition. See, you do this thing before me doesn't mean if you feel you need a break, my dear, just take the break, because this life is so sweet. I might be feeling summer right now, but life is so sweet. Someone that is dead is not going to enjoy life. It's you that you are still alive that you are still going to enjoy life. So let's enjoy this life together. What makes you happy? This is the foundation, but I'll be using it as my concealer. Okay, this weather is playing with me, like serious play, but I'm not going to be discouraged. I know I've not been posting, like really posting on YouTube, which is really affecting the growth of my YouTube. People are seeing me every time, but like, this person is serious with life. I've decided to be posting every Wednesdays and every Sundays. So every Wednesdays and every Sundays, you guys should be expecting a brand new video. So help me God. Here we come, YouTube. Almost done with the makeup. Blend, 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 blend. I'm going to be lining my lip with it. Going in with my lip gloss. I like to do the old school kind of nude that we used to do. Going in with my color pop. I'll be going in with my we just finish the whole thing with my powder brush. A little more blend. So we're done. I just hope you guys like makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup chit chat. I know I didn't really do much of talking, but we said something and we achieved something. The information I was just trying to pass you guys is the time I will be posting on my channel, which is every Wednesdays and every Sundays. And yeah, so help me God. Don't use another person's time zone to judge yourself. You don't have to stress yourself too much. You don't have to, overwork yourself, or you still have to, work so you will not suffer. And I hope you guys enjoy this little makeup tutorial. And yeah, I love the makeup. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, please. When you like and comment, when you comment under my video, it's going to make YouTube push the video out to people for audience. That's how comments and like are like necessary. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is down below, and your post notification beside the subscribe button, so you'll be notified once I drop another video. To just notify you that dun 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 dun, Tamiza has dropped another video. Stay well, stay awesome, and always be the best of yourself.